Hey everyone, quick video today. I don't usually buy parts like this, but here it is. It's an anodized Gucci sprocket, front sprocket cover with a window. I don't know how functional the window is going to be. I guess you can see in, but at the same time, I imagine that's going to get filthy almost immediately. So anyways, I might just take this off, but I guess we'll wait and see. Anyways, this is going to go on the Versys today. This is probably a skill level 0 for install. I say that, watch me somehow screw it up. Anyways, let's check it out. So removing the OEM sprocket cover, it is two 8mm bolts. You also have to take off the plastic piece that I just did there. That is a 5mm hex. The aftermarket piece I'm putting on right now is two 5mm hex. There are two green spacers that go behind that come with the kit, just as a heads up. So there it is, it's on. It's definitely not the same color green. I guess that's somewhat to be expected when you're buying this kind of crap that you don't need off of Amazon. So anyways, it's not too bad. Like I said, you do have the window here, so you are gonna have the ability to see in here. I suspect that will get pretty darn dirty rather quickly, especially if you're doing a lot more dirt roads, etc. The nice thing is you can actually just take it off. Right, and so there is some protection still. That being said, I don't know if you want to risk it because this is where your boot is, and if you get a lace up in there, that's probably not a good thing. Anyways, yeah, not too bad. You do have to, I don't know if I said this already, you do have to take this piece off in order to access the OEM one, the sprocket cover, to get it off. But that is it. Yeah, it's kind of like, it kind of sticks out. I don't know how I feel about that. Anyways, it's done. So if you have any questions, let me know. All right, thanks.